Hello, grade 12 students. Here we go with chapter 15, regulation of the female sexual hormones. Let's start with document 1, the sexual cycle. In this document, we have to know the following. We have to know that menstrual cycle of the female is divided into two main cycles, the ovarian cycle and the uterine cycle. The uterus is a site of implantation of the zygote, which was produced in the ovary. In the ovary and the uterus, they should synchronize their cycle. These two cycles should be synchronized. They should work with each other. About 8 to 10 days before the ovulation, the uterus is going to know that the oocyte 2 started to continue meiosis 2. Then it will be released. The uterus will anticipate the fertilization and the formation of the zygote. As such, it should prepare itself for this big event. First, the tube-like glands will start to appear in the endometrial lining of the uterus. Their role is to sustain and to nourish the embryo. Spiral blood vessels they are going to form. They are going to hold more nutrition for the embryo. The presence of more glands and more blood vessels, the endometrium is going to grow thicker and thicker. These are referred to as proliferation phase, and under the effect of the estrogen hormone produced by the developing follicles. Proliferation stage confound with the follicular stage of the ovarian cycle. More blood vessels, more glands, they will appear until we reach the ovulation day about the day 14. Around ovulation, during the post-ovulatory phase of the ovarian cycle, means that after the ovulation, the endometrium acquires the maximum number of gland vessels. So they produce a nutritive liquid that is called glycogen, and it's this glands and vessels and the endometrium that will appear the uterine lace. This part of the uterine cycle is known as secretory phase, and it's under the effects of two hormones. They are estrogen and progesterone, or estradiol and progesterone. These are produced by the yellow body, the corpus luteum, during the luteal phase of the ovarian cycle. More and more, if fertilization occurs, the fetus will be implanted inside the uterus, where eventually the endometrium is going to form what's known by placenta. If no fertilization, then about day 0 and day 6 of the menstrual cycle, the superficial of the endometrium is going to be sloughed off, the spiral blood vessels will be exposed, and as a result, the thickness of the endometrium will decrease with time, and this will give what's known by menstruation or the menses stage, which is due to the level of the drops of both hormone, estrogen and progesterone. This is due to the degeneration of the corpus luteum into the non-functional corpus albicans, or it's known by the white body.